Thanks for clicking on the video and welcome to the Chopped TV Show at Home Challenge.
Hello fellow travelers and welcome back to our Big's Adventure. My name is Cynthia and today we're gonna do the chopped chicken collaboration. I am obsessed with this show, Chopped. I have been for years. I love that show. Amanda over at DittDott and I are hosting a collaboration for the chopped chicken challenge. In this basket, I have the main ingredients for the chopped challenge. Are you ready to see what they are? Press the like button and let's get to work. Let's see what the mystery ingredients in the basket are. Ooh. First item up is potatoes. These are just some russet potatoes. There's 7 of them. They're kind of small. Next item is Brussels sprouts. I've got some turkey and some chicken. I'm allergic to chicken, so I'm gonna substitute turkey for myself. Salt and pepper. And butter. These are the main ingredients for the challenge, for the collab. My 2 mystery ingredients. Part of the collaboration is you get all of the main ingredients and you get 2 pantry mystery ingredients. So I'm choosing Parmesan cheese. Look how gorgeous that is. It came from Aldi. And garlic. Now, like in the show, I want the timer to start and I just want to start running around all crazy in the kitchen. But I'm not gonna do that. Now I have to figure out what I'm gonna make.
My turkey and chicken are ready for the oven. I've just got a simple salt and pepper and I shredded some garlic over the top just for some flavor. Mr. Biggs has pepper on his. I am actually allergic to black pepper, so I don't have any on mine. But there's my chicken.
Hold on a sec.
Next up, let's start on the potatoes.
I had so much fun with the Chopped TV Show at Home Challenge, doing easy chicken and potato recipes for dinner. This was a blast. I love taking whole ingredients and making a meal out of them, and an easy 5-ingredient meal is exactly what I needed. I've just peeled and chopped up all of my potatoes.
My plan for the potatoes is salt, pepper, melted butter, and some shredded garlic. 1 light clove of garlic. I'm gonna pour that on the potatoes, toss them in the oven, and let them roast. Nice big hit of salt. Smaller hit of pepper, just because I can only have a little bit of that. Melt this in the microwave, pour over, ready to go in the oven. Mostly melted. My whole house already smells like garlic. It smells so good in here. Definitely not gonna have to worry about like a lot of kissing after this. I just have to say, unless we have like some Listerine or something. The breath is gonna be out of control. Those look so good. They're not even roasted yet. These are gonna be amazing. I can't wait to see what you guys do with your chopped chicken basket and your 2 mystery ingredients. Like, I think I kind of copped out with garlic and cheese because you can't go wrong with garlic and cheese. So my plan is that after these are roasted, I'm gonna hit them with some of that Parmesan cheese and let them get golden and bubbly in the oven. Yum! Ready to go. Next up, let's handle these Brussels sprouts. The recipe that I got from Pinterest, I'll put a link down below, said to tear off the outer layer and cut them in half. So that's what we're gonna do.
Chopped, the TV show, has a time constraint to it, and what busy wife, mom, person does not have a time constraint in their life? I wanted an easy baked Brussels sprout recipe ready in under 15 minutes, and that's what I got.
Next up, it's Brussels sprout time. The recipe on Pinterest says that this easy Brussels sprout recipe is ready in 15 minutes or less, so let's put it to the test. The first thing we're gonna do is melt butter in this cast iron skillet and put all the Brussels sprouts in face down and let them just start to cook.
Do any of you watch the Chopped TV show on Food Network? It's one of my faves.
Have you pressed the like button yet? Maybe left a comment? What kind of ingredients would you use if you had the chopped chicken basket? Do you have a family specialty or a family favorite that you could share? I'd love to hear. In the Pinterest recipe, it calls for these to be transferred over into a baking sheet, but this is a cast iron skillet, so I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna flip them around, put some more butter in the skillet like it says, top it with cheese, and put it in the oven.
Doing a 5-ingredient meal was a lot harder than I thought. I'm always looking for easy gluten-free dinners with chicken, but only having 5 ingredients? I missed being able to run to my pantry and grab whatever I wanted. I can see why the chefs on the show get tripped up by the pantry and adding ingredients that they don't need.
Like, this is the South. If you have an opportunity to put a whole stick of butter into something, I say do it. Okay. Butter, a lot of butter. Parmesan cheese. Wow. That's gonna be so good. Now we just pop it in the oven. The Brussels sprouts just came out of the oven. They are so beautiful. I'm gonna give them a taste test. Wow, they are so good. So good.
I'll leave a recipe link down below for these Brussels sprouts. 100% making them again. I didn't need a recipe for these potatoes. They were so simple and they came out delicious. If you're looking for easy chicken and potato recipes for dinner, this has my vote.
It's critique time. Let's start out with the potatoes. The potatoes could not have come out more beautiful. They're crispy, they're crunchy, they're salty, they're cheesy. Oh my gosh, they're so good. So good. I would make those potatoes every day of the week and twice on Sunday. Brussels sprouts, so pretty, so delicious, so yummy. These are a knockout. I will definitely be making this Brussels sprout recipe again. In fact, I could make a meal just out of the potatoes and the Brussels sprouts, and that's the truth. The thing I'm kind of lukewarm about is my protein. It's just blah. There's no color on it. If I was gonna do this challenge again, I would have started the protein in the cast iron skillet with the butter and then done the Brussels sprouts in the same skillet with the juices from my protein. It tastes good. It just doesn't look good. So overall, I love this challenge and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with, and ladies and all the people. Thank you so much for sticking around until the end of the video. Everybody who participates in, why do I have a fork? Because it's time to eat, that's why. Everyone who participates in the collab, I'm gonna put a link down below in the description box and make it into a playlist. I am so excited to be participating in this fun little summertime collab with some of my fave YouTubers. Thank you again for watching, and remember everybody, life is an adventure, so enjoy your journey. Bye-bye. For real, y'all. Those Brussels sprouts are so good. I can't stop picking them. They're so yummy.